another factor will be there, low pressure extra ban gaya. Understood? Another factor, what will happen? Low pressure extra created. Yes, consecutively and in cascading form. Cascading consecutively and continuously and cascading form. लो प्रेशर क्या हो रहा है? क्रिएटेड, बना इसके हीट की वजह से, and it is happening consecutively one after another, continuously and cascading. One effect is affecting the other, another is affecting the next, another is affecting the next. Understood? अब ये और ये सपोज करो how much water vapor is going earlier. Suppose I said that 1 lakh liter of water has been evaporated. How much water has been evaporated? अब next time भी 1 lakh आना चाहिए क्योंकि 26.5 degree Celsius, and when it is in a 26.5 degree Celsius, when it started going upward, understood? लेकिन अभी भी अब ये it become what is in a, पहले मैंने इसका स्ट्रक्चर छोटा दिखाया था. Now it become more low pressure. So how much water vapor will go up? Tell me. 1 lakh. लेकिन this low pressure will attract more water vapor. So how much it will go? 2 lakh. 1 lakh और ज़्यादा चला गया. So there will be what? Low pressure extra created consecutively and continuously. Consecutively, continuously and, तो अब ये लो प्रेशर ने एक्स्ट्रा किया और दिस टाइम मोर वाटर वेपर कम, तो ये आपको 1 लाख का है तो 2 लाख का कितना बन जाएगा क्लाउड? Already this is the cloud of 1 lakh. Now this is the cloud of what? This time released of heat will be more than earlier or less than earlier or equal to earlier? Yes, more latent heat of condensation released. Yes or not? Latent heat of condensation more released. This time atmosphere become what? More lighter. Yes. So this cloud started what? More heat released, then this cloud become what? Started what? Moving upward, convecting upward. But अब कितना हीट रिलीज करेगा? पहले से ज्यादा, 2 times more. So it is taking 1 lakh, now it is taking how much? 2 lakhs. So total water vapor has gone up 3 lakhs. So इतने तो क्लाउड थे ही और 3 times क्लाउड. Yes or not? So it is happening, or 3 lakh will give how much? They will give more heat, and there will be more temperature released, more temperature, and this atmosphere become further lighter. Yes? Yes or not? And it will attract more. So does it look like chain reaction? And this way we will be able to get which cloud? Cumulonimbus cloud. और आपको मैंने दिखाया था, I have shown you the cumulonimbus cloud goes like what? Highest. And the cumulonimbus cloud, this cloud is which one? Cumulonimbus cloud. Understood it? लेकिन सपोज करो कि ये 5-6 मीटर तक होता, इफ इट इज अप टू द डेप्थ ऑफ, तो इसके नीचे का वाटर क्या होता है? 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस, और ये ऊपर जाता है 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस. इतना वाटर वेपर फिनिश्ड. and cyclone is in the initial stage. So suddenly 22 and water vapor formation stops, cyclone formation. So I need what? Till the depth of 50 to 60 meter. Again I said that sea surface temperature should be what? 26.5 degrees Celsius or more, and then till the depth of 50 to 60 meter. It means large supply of warm water. Under such condition, then the water surface, sea surface started evaporating and it is converting into cloud, and through the latent heat of condensation releasing more heat in the atmosphere and making the atmosphere lighter and low pressure, which help in what is making the cloud to move upward and attracting more water vapor and storms around. Understood? आसपास के other low pressure को भी खींच लेगा. And with the help of this, they will be able to get more water vapor in comparison to earlier, and this time cloud formation will be more than earlier, and cloud will get height also, but at the same time they will release more heat than earlier. And when it will release more heat than the earlier, which heat? Latent heat of condensation. That will make the more and more atmosphere to be what? Lighter and more expanded form. Make the cloud to be further lighter, and it will go and more height it will attain. But at the same time it will create more low pressure. So this more low pressure will attract more water vapor than more and more than earlier, and then even more other storms from the surrounding, because this is very low pressure center and it is attracting. At the end it will be able to provide us which? Cumulonimbus cloud, and help in creating low pressure at the center. Yes or no? समझ में आ गया? What is the first condition? Sea surface temperature should be 26.5 degrees Celsius or more till the depth of 50 to 60 meter. Understood? Clear? Next one I said that presence of group of island. ये भी थोड़ा बहुत मैंने पहले समझाया है. Understood it? Presence of group of island. I said that one reason is what? Some island, and one reason is I said that large number of islands. Clear? Large specific heat. Who will get heated first? Land or surrounding water body? ये water body है. These are the island. How many times? 4 times faster. So who will become low pressure? Land or water body? Land. And then 1 atmospheric pressure, I have said that it is what? 1013.15 MB. This is the 1 atmospheric pressure. Yes or not? At sea level. Understood it? तो यहाँ पर suppose करो it has become like what? 1000 MB. In this island, what the pressure? Started evaporating and then started what is the warm air started moving up. तो यहाँ का एयर ऊपर चला गया, लैंड बिकम, यहाँ पे वाटर पेपर नहीं, यहाँ पे क्या है? लैंड स्टार्टेड मूविंग. इसके कंपैरिजन में नियर बाय रीजन विल हैव वाटर विल हैव हाई प्रेशर. ये सारे के हाई प्रेशर होंगे एंड देन इट विल बिकम हाई प्रेशर आइसोबर्स. सो दिस बिकम व्हाट? लो प्रेशर एंड सराउंडेड बाय हाई प्रेशर आइसोबर्स. ये लैंड क्या है? कंपैरेटिवली स्मॉलर. This land is what? So it will become, I said that 1005 MB. It will become what? Comparatively less amount of air will get what warm and it will go up. So what it will become? 1000, and it will be surrounded by some, iske comparatively water body will be what? High pressure. This way I said 1005, 1005, 1005, 1004, 1005 something like this. Understood? This island is comparatively much smaller, so the less amount of air will move up after heating. So it will become, suppose I said 1008 MB. It is low pressure and it is surrounded by other, yes, 1008 surrounded by other isobars, 1008 surrounded by other high pressure isobars. So it become what? 1008, 1008, 1008. And there is, I said that in this region there is a 1040. Understood? Getting my point? Clear? So I said that in a region, again I said that, आपको क्या होगा? This is in a low pressure centers. ये अपने आप में छोटे छोटे storms बन गए या नहीं बने? These are also small. कभी आपने देखा होगा आंधी वगैरह चलता है, then the air is, देखा है मूव करते हुए? क्यों मूव करता है इतना तेजी से? आपने नहीं देखा क्यों हवा ऐसे ऐसे टर्न कर रहा है? देखा है ना? महसूस नहीं हुआ? It is in a Coriolis force. कभी देखा होगा ना? So I said that when the wind started fast moving, then they started what? So एक low pressure बन जाता है and then it started what? So I said, it is and I said that major island और यहाँ का low pressure, very low pressure, and then it become what I said, that low pressure center. These are also low pressure centers, small storm. These are also low pressure centers, small storms. Yes, yes or not? If in a given region the presence of group of island is very large, they will convert into different types of small what? Low pressure centers. Different kind of small low pressure center with small. But one of the island will become very low pressure centers, highly intensified low pressure center, and they will start attracting other low pressure center which is comparatively high pressure. Yes or not? इसके comparatively high pressure. That will start attracting other low pressure center which is comparatively high pressure, and this way this wind started converging towards major low pressure center, and then it will start contributing more. Yes, tell me, it will start contributing more water vapor and all. अभी देखा था ना, मैंने बताया था ना कि नहीं? They start attracting other. So it will start attracting other low pressure center. पहले तो अपने आप में डेवलप करेगा, and they will start attracting. जब cloud ऊपर जा रहा था, they started attracting other low pressure centers or not? Yes. So when they started other low pressure centers which is comparatively high pressure, there is more water vapor, and that led to the formation of what? Low pressure system with weak tropical disturbance. Weak. So who will create weak tropical disturbance? Presence of, and along with the large supply of warm water. Understood? What created? Weak tropical disturbance. Understood it? यहाँ पे low pressure बन गया and it started going upward. ये तो मैंने एक सर्कल से दिखाया, उसमें से कोई भी आइलैंड जो बड़ा हो चाहे कोई हो, that will convert into one of the major low pressure center, and they will start attracting other low pressure center which is comparatively and it will lead to the what is giving more moisture at the center, and then it will become highly low pressure center. It is considered as a what? Weak tropical disturbance. Completely okay in your mind? Next, I said that upper air diverges, और ये एयर ऊपर जा रहा है, yes or not? ये ऊपर जा रहा है. आपको मैंने पहले बताया है, if it is low pressure, तो इसको बनने में पहले ये क्या है 500, 500, 500, 500, तो यहाँ पे कोई हाई प्रेशर है? No. When the air started going upward, then it started contributing. It will become high pressure. और जैसे ही जितना जल्दी हाई प्रेशर जितना जाएगा उतना ही एयर बोलेगा मैं जा रहा हूँ. और जब यहाँ से इंजन स्टार्ट हो गया हाई प्रेशर, देन इट विल स्टार्ट दोनों तरफ फेंकने लग जाएगा, चारों तरफ. So upper air divergence started attracting more air from the down. Yes or not? Upper air divergence started attracting more air from the. जब ऊपर में एयर डाइवर्ज नहीं होगा तो नीचे से में ऊपर एयर आ ही नहीं सकता है. आप एक तरफ से घर में आप यदि चारों तरफ से खिड़की बंद रखोगे और वन डोर खोल दोगे, विंड विल नॉट कम. यू हैव टू ओपन वन विंडो so that air from there it goes away, then it start. तो यहां से जो एयर आ रहा है it should go away, then it will keep on coming more. Yes or not? Yes. Now upper air divergence, what is attracting more air from the what is low pressure on the ground, and it will help in developing more intensified low pressure center, and it will convert into developed disturbance. Getting my point? Tropical presence of group of island, what he has given? Yes? फटाफट बोलो. Weak tropical disturbance, and then upper air divergence has given developed disturbance.